Hey, what's up? This is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video, I'll be telling you how you can find affiliate links for ClickFunnels and different products under ClickFunnels umbrella. So if you're new to this channel is all about make money online, where I tell you my different tips and strategies that will help you to build a sustainable business online. So a lot many people are asking this particular question, and I decided to make a video on it now. So in order to get the ClickFunnels affiliate links, what you need to do, just sign into ClickFunnels and you will come to this particular dashboard page. And then you need to go on the top right section and click on this profile button and just scroll down. Let me just move myself away. So just click on this profile icon and go under affiliates. So let's say you want to promote the 14-day trial for ClickFunnels. So the link for that will be, just scroll down and you will see this option, ClickFunnels Affiliate Center. Just click on this button, Affiliate Tools. Just click on it. And then you will come to this particular page. So you need to just scroll down. And this is the link to promote the 14-day trial for ClickFunnels. It says free 14-day trial pages. So this is the link which you have to use to promote ClickFunnels trial. Now let's check out a few other links. So these are all different products under ClickFunnels. There's a 10x secrets. There is a 30-day summit. Then there is Affiliate Bootcamp Summit. Again, this is one of the most popular free course from ClickFunnels. It's called Affiliate Bootcamp, and you can get your affiliate link from here. So this is your affiliate link which you need to promote. And now let me also show you the affiliate link for the One Funnel Away Challenge. And that is one of the most sought after affiliate marketing training program from ClickFunnels. And this is when you scroll down towards the bottom, you will see this One Funnel Away, and just need to click on this button, and this is your link to promote the One Funnel Away Challenge. So basically you're going to get all the links from this particular affiliate dashboard. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you found some value, please make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and make sure that you like this video as well. And if you have any questions regarding anything regarding ClickFunnels, as to how you can set up ClickFunnels, how to promote ClickFunnels products, do let me know in the comments below and I will definitely get back to you. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.